ICT battery customization. Press and hold the Enter key for more than 5 seconds. Enter the parameter setting interface. Press the down key to go from 00 to 00 screen. 05 mode default is AGM. Press the Enter key. The battery mode flashes. Select battery mode as custom mode USE. Press Enter to save. Settings 26 options. Press the down arrow key to scroll to option 26. Press Enter to confirm. Default 56 for V start flashing. Press the down key to set the high voltage. Disconnect voltage value to 57 and 3V. Press Enter to save the settings. Settings 27 options. Press Enter to confirm. The default is 50 for V and starts flashing. Press the down key to set the high voltage. Disconnect voltage value to 57 3V. After the settings are completed, press Enter to confirm and save. Set 29 options. Press Enter to confirm. The default is 45 and it starts flashing. Press the down keypad to set the low voltage. Disconnect voltage value 43.5. After the settings are completed, press Enter to confirm and save. This completes the battery customization settings. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.